Yo, what's up? Peace, family. It has been a minute, passion pursuers. It's been a few years since I've actually been uploading anything on this channel, right? There's been a few years since I've been able to actually focus on helping people, the thing that I actually love doing. Why? Because I had to focus on helping myself, right? So if this your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or that bell button so you can receive notifications whenever I upload a video. I'm going to be uploading more consistently Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for sure. We're going to be talking about money. We're going to be talking about mindset. We're going to be talking about motivation, right? I'm tuning into you live from Costa Rica, where I've spent the last 45 days with my beautiful wife. 45 days prior to this, we were in Mexico for 60 days. So things are really looking a lot different since the last time I've been on this page. And I just want to be able to pour back into people so that people can begin to experience the lifestyle that they desire, whatever it is that they deserve, right? So if you are still on this page, or if you're new to this page and you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from anywhere that you can work, as long as you have access to the internet, access to Wi-Fi, access to a phone, laptop, computer, whatever the case may be, there's going to be a link in the description to this system, right? This brand new system that my team and I are using, where we're able to earn anywhere from $50 to $300 a day commission daily, paid directly to us, right? This system is going to teach you exactly what the 6 and 7 figure earners are doing to be able to have success online. And I'm pretty sure that you've heard that before, but I can tell you right now, I plugged into the system myself. I've applied the system. I'm working the system, and the results are coming in. So click the link in the description if you're ready to start making some money online. I'm going to be doing different tutorials and all that other stuff. So click the link if you're ready to work with me. If not, just go ahead and subscribe and tune in and come get this content, because I got you. Peace.